Well, guys, this video has been a long time in coming. I'm going to tell you a little story. So, back just before I hit 5,000 subscribers, I was planning on having a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers. That was about the time when Joe from 3D Maker Noob had his giveaway. And when he did, I had an inflated amount of people who subscribed to the channel. To the point where I passed 5,000, no sweat at all. That was just breezed through it. Only thing was that once he had his giveaway, I fell below 5,000, and actually, because a lot of people unsubscribed from the channel, and there was a good month and a half of people unsubscribing, subscribing, to where the numbers were just completely just out of whack. And I learned at that point that a giveaway sometimes can cause people to do their, subscribe to the channel and then turn around, and when they don't win, they unsubscribe from everybody that they subscribed to because they weren't in it for the content, they were into it for the stuff. So I decided at that point I wasn't going to have a 5,000 giveaway. I decided to wait till I hit 7,000 subscribers. We've done that, and thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much. And now I know that where I'm at right now is where the people who like the channel, they're the ones that are watching right now. With that said, I do know what's going to happen as soon as I announce this giveaway. I'm not an idiot. But, whatever happens, happens. One thing recently, when getting ready for this giveaway, I was originally going to take and just buy stuff on my own and create my own giveaway. So I went on to Wish and I ordered some of these nippers because I got this one with the Tevo Tarantula, I believe it was, and really come in handy. I was really surprised. I think they call them flush cutters, nippers, you name it, they call it that. Come in really handy for cutting filament, sometimes wiring, stuff like that. So I went on to Wish.com and I came across what looked like the same exact nippers, except these didn't have a name, these do. That's Plato, P-L-A-T-O flush cutters. So I picked up 3 of those. Get that out of the way. Won't need that no more. In the meantime, I did reach out to a friend of mine over at AMZ 3D. They've been very, very generous to this channel and have supplied the channel with a lot of filament over the last year or so. And if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be able to pump out some of the prints I've done. They have been very, very great to the channel. I really appreciate it. So I contacted them and said, hey, would you be interested in doing a giveaway with me? They said, sure. So he sent me 4 rolls. He said, one of these is for me. So I'm going to be keeping one of them. I'll set it over to the side for now. 1 for me, 3 for you. So all total, I got 3 rolls to give away of filament. This is PLA. I'm not going to open up the vacuum seal, but it is coffee colored. I don't know if you can see that very well in the light. It's actually not a bad looking, kind of a brown color. Almost a bronze looking. Anyway, it's coffee. And so all of this is coffee filament, courtesy of AMZ 3D. So they were gracious enough to send that for me to give away in this. So at the moment, sorry about that, I've got 3 rolls of PLA, I got 3 nippers. So that gives me 3 prizes. Then I contacted G-Tech. I'm like, please send me the A30. Please send me an A30. I'd love to give away an A30. They said no. What they did offer me was the E180. And so they sent it directly to my door. The E180 is one that I was involved in their Kickstarter. I'll put the picture of it down here. I was actually featured on their Kickstarter as being somebody who they've contacted considering, for in the making of doing this, because they asked, what do you think is important, especially for kids and so on like that. That's how the E180 came about. So because of that, when they said, would you be interested in giving away E180? Sure, I'm. You know what? Beggars can't be choosers. So they sent me an E180. Thing is, I'm responsible for the shipping for all of this. I know for a fact I can ship off a 2.2 pound roll of PLA and a nipper fairly reasonably overseas. The E180, on the other hand, that's going to take a little bit of money to send that. If I'm going to open this up, I've decided I'm going to go all out. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up and make it a worldwide giveaway. I'm not going to limit it to the United States. I thought about doing it where it's going to be 2 separate giveaways. This would be United States only, rest, you know, 2, and here's what I'm going to do. Somebody's going to get the grand prize, and that's going to be the E180, a roll of AMZ 3D coffee PLA, and a set of the nippers. Second and third place are going to be roll of PLA and the nippers. So we got first, second, and third. Like I said, this is going to be a worldwide giveaway. I'm not going to limit it to the United States only. The only thing I want to ask is whoever wins this one, if you are overseas, if we can come to some conclusion on maybe sharing the cost of shipping and split it 50-50 or something like that, we'll figure it all out when the time comes. We'll see what happens. But anyway, I want to just go ahead and just throw this out there. Go ahead and start the giveaway. It is going to be through Gleam. Please click on the link down in the video description to go check it out. There are going to be different ways of entering. One of them is going to be subscribed to this channel. I am going to ask you to subscribe to Calvin to help him out and watch several different videos, and also to, of course, follow AMZ 3D and G-Tech on their respectable Twitter pages as well. But anyway, that's going to be about it for this one. I just wanted to throw this out there. Like I said, it's been a long time coming. I wanted to do this a lot sooner, but things just didn't happen that way. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. And by the way, this is going to be going on until the end of the month. So I'm going to pick out the winner on the 1st of July. And we'll go from there. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and catch you in the next one.